Good morning, student. Today my topic is volleyball. Practical number first. Topic number 4. Topic is the basic rules of the volleyball. So let's start my topic. Basic volleyball rules and the terminology of volleyball. Basic volleyball rules. Number 1. 6 players on the floor at any one time, 3 in the front row and the 3 in the back row. Maximum of the 3 hits per side. Number 3. Points are made only on every serve for winning teams of really point scoring. Number 4. Player may not hit the ball twice in the success. A ball is not considered a hit. Number 6. Ball may be played off the net during a volleyball and on the serve. Number 6. The number 6 rule of the volleyball. Volleyball and a volleyball hitting a boundary line is in. Okay. Number 7 point. Number 7 point. A ball is out if it hit an antenna, the floor completely outside the court, any of the net or cables outside the antenna, the referee's stand or pole, the ceiling above a non-payable area. Number 8 point. It is illegal to contact the ball with any part of the player's body. Number 9 points. It is illegal to catch, hold or throw the ball. Number 10 points. A player cannot block or attack a serve from on the inside the 10-foot line. 11 points. Rule number 11 of the volleyball. After serve front line, player may switch position at the net. Number 12. A ball is out if it hit on the antenna, the floor completely outside the court, any of the net or cable outside the antenna, the referee stand on the pole, the ceiling above a non-payable area. Next point. It is illegal to contact the ball with any part of the player's body. Number 9. It is illegal to catch, hold or throw the ball. Okay. Next point. Next point of the volleyball rules. Matches are made up or set. The number depend on the level of player. 3 set matches are 2 set to 25 points and a third set to 15. Each set must be won by 2 points. The winner is the first team to win 2 sets. 5 set matches are 4 set to 25 points and 5 set to 15. The team must win by 2 unless tournament rule dictates otherwise. The winner is the first team to win 3 sets. Okay. Next point of volleyball, the basic volleyball rules violation. Rule violation that result in the point for the opponents. Number 1, when serving, the player step on or across the service line as while making contact with a ball. Number 2 point of the violations in the volleyball. Failure to serve the ball over the net successfully. Number 3 point, ball handling error, contacting the ball illegally, double touching, lifting, carrying and throwing, and etc. Next point, touching the net with any part of while the ball is in play. Okay. Number 5 point of violation in volleyball. When blocking a ball coming from the opponent court, it's illegal to contact the ball when reaching over the net. If both your opponent has not used 3 contacts, any they have a player there to make a play on the ball. Number 6, when attacking a ball coming from the opponent court, connecting the ball when reaching over the net is a violation if the ball has not yet broken the vertical plane of the net. Next, 7 point of the violation of volleyball rules. Serving out of rotation order. Okay. Number 8 point. Crossing the court center line with any part of your body is a violation. Adjunctions. If is the hand or foot, in case the entire hand or entire foot must cross for it to be a violation. Number 9 point. Back row players blocking deflecting a ball coming from the opponents. When at the moment of contact, the back row player is near the net and has part of his and her body above the top of the net, is an illegal block. Number 10 point. Number 10 points. Back row player attacking a ball inside the front zone, the area inside the 3 meter and 10 foot line. When at the moment of contact, the ball is completely above the net, this is an illegal attack. Okay. Number 11 point. Number 11 point is the recent rule changes. Other rule change enacted in the 2000 include allowing serve in which the ball touches the net as long as it goes over the net into the opponent's court. Also, the serving area was expanded to allow player to serve from anywhere beside the end line, but still with the orticals extensions of the side line. Other the chains were made to lighten upon the call fault for the carrier and the double touches, such as allowing multiple contacts by a single player's double hits. On a team first contact, provided that they are a part of a single player on the ball. Okay. In 2008, the NCAA changed the minimum number of points needed to win any of the first four sets from 30 to 25 from women's volleyball. Men volleyball remained of 30 for another 3 area, switching to 25 in 2011. If a fifth deciding set is reached, the minimum required score remain at is. In addition, the word game is now refreshed to a set. The official volleyball rules are preferred and updated every few years by the 5 rules of the game and refreshing commissions. The latest additional is usually available on the 5 website. Okay student, today my topic rule or regulation is a complete. So my 4th topic in a volleyball practical number 1 is completed. Thank you very much.